one uses vinegar and baking soda. Baking soda and vinegar. One, we're going to measure everything. Two, we're going to mix. Three, we're going to observe. Yeah! It's time to start.
Alright guys, so as far as what you are going to need, you are going to obviously need baking soda and vinegar. And the quality does not need to be great. So I buy the cheapest ones. And then on top of this, if you want, you are going to need food coloring. And then you need a clear container. I personally just reuse whatever we have. Whenever containers are done, if it looks like a potential useful one, I keep it. I might use this tray as well because we're trying to show different ways to use to do this experiment. And then I use a baking sheet. So this one, baking sheet, just to do the experiment on top because we're doing it indoors and we have carpet. I don't want my carpet to be full of baking soda and vinegar because this is a 3-year-old. So it could very much end up on the floor. So this helps to contain everything. And another thing, you are going to need something to wipe with. I use paper towels. Yep, she's holding it up. I use a paper towel because it's disposable. If you are in the US, of course, you can find paper towels easily if you use paper towels. If you are in Swaziland, I know that Clicks has paper towels and I think it's ShopRite. Oh, actually Spar has paper towels. So you can definitely find them because that's where I buy them when I'm in Swaziland. Okay, Tando is now measuring. Pour, baby. Pour more. Tando is going to pour some here. We're not exactly measuring, but I say to her that we are measuring because I want her to get used to some of these terms. Keep pouring, baby. Pour more. We want to cover the whole bottom of the tray. So there she goes. She's pouring. Good job, baby. Good job. Thank you for listening to mommy. Okay, put it down. We're done. Okay, well done. Tando, what does the Bible say about listening to your mama? Tell me. Look at the camera and tell me.
You obey your mama.
Yeah. All right. Why do you obey your mama?
Because that's why God says God created me.
Did he create you?
Yeah.
What else did he create? Did he create baking soda?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, as you guys can tell, I'm trying to make this as real life as possible. When we do experiments with her or just going on a walk, I try to talk about God with her because that's the most important thing for us. And I want her to know who she is and to love God because he created her and he loves her. I want her to know that. So she put too much here. I actually have to remove some of this. I did not realize she had put so much. This is just a layer. It's a thin layer on the bottom of the baking pan. And did you make a hand mark? Yeah, is that fun? Now she's going to do some drops. She will put drops of food coloring. I will do the first one. Baby, I'm doing the first one. I usually just try with the little child. You want to just model and then let them do stuff. So here's a drop. Oh, that was not a drop, but should be sufficient. So Tando, you can pick a color you want. Which color are you going to pick? Blue? Okay. All right. Put a drop in there, baby. One drop. Oh, that is not it. See, I did not demonstrate that well. Pick another color. Which color are you picking? Red. Okay, remember, don't squeeze it. Just hold it down. Different spot from the other one. Far from the other pot. There. That's good. You can do that. You can shake it down. Okay. All right, oh, there we go. That's a drop. Well done.
I did a drop.
You did a drop.
I did one.
Yeah, you did one. Okay, do you want to do the yellow one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I want to do a green one.
A green one? All right. If you do a green one, just to use the space here because it's unused. Just one drop. Yep, that's it. And then we can try the yellow. So this is what it's looking like, and honestly I will space this out more, but I'm just letting her do whatever within reason. Space it out, babe. Yep, that's it. Good job.
It's two.
Okay, did you do yellow? All right, you want to do one more? Okay, all done. Yes, mom? Okay. Don't do more. Okay, thank you. Thank you for obeying your mama. The Bible says, honor your mama and your
Dad.
yes. Okay, baby, here is the vinegar. So I poured the vinegar because I just thought the container is so big she won't be able to hold it. And you can use whatever you have. We use pipettes like this one. I just have a bunch. Okay, let's get it from here. I just have a bunch and I use those. So let's see what happens. You can pour on top of the colors, babe, and see what happens, Nana. On top of the colors. Whoa.
Ooh, blue.
Okay, you squeeze, babe. You squeeze, and then it goes inside. See? You squeeze, that's how you use it. You squeeze. There you go. Do you hear the fizzing sound, Tando? Do you hear it, baby? That's carbon dioxide being produced. Carbon dioxide is a gas. And we actually breathe it out. We breathe in oxygen and out comes carbon dioxide. It's a gas. But you know, trees, they use carbon dioxide to make their food. Tando, do you think trees eat? Yeah?
Trees eat meat.
Trees eat meat.
Trees eat meat.
I guess some of them do eat bugs, but not all of them. Pretty much what it looks like in there. And then, just for fun, to make sure we use all of our baking soda, Tando is going to pour some So actually the solid part, the white part can go entirely if you add enough of the vinegar. So I'm just going to pour some here. And
I put some here.
don't do that, baby. Okay, pour all of it, baby. Let's see what happens.
We put over this?
Yeah. Oh my word, oh my word.
We put my hand in here.
You can put it in there. Real quick. Okay, out. What, is it very cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it's cold because this is an endothermic reaction, which means that at the end of the reaction, it's cold. cold. Feel it outside, Tando. Hold outside here, guys. Can you see this? It's, I don't know, it's really hard to put it down, babe. Put it down. But it's almost as if it's in the fridge. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but on the tin you can tell that it's almost as if it's in the fridge. So this reaction ends up being cold. Okay, so this is the second option for this experiment. You can use the reaction of baking soda and vinegar to blow up a balloon. I think that's so much fun for kids to see. All right, so first step is to pour the vinegar into the container. So Tando, let's go ahead and do that. Pour, baby. Pour into the very carefully, very carefully. Let me help you. There we go. Well done. So now that we've put the vinegar in the container, I'm going to dry this one because I only have one. We're going to dry off the funnel, and then we are going to use it with the dry baking soda to put the baking soda into the balloon. Now we are going to try and put the balloon over the mouth of the plastic container. We filled it too much. We didn't have a small balloon. We didn't have a big balloon.